Enthusiastic. Today we will learn a dynamic VLOOKUP. So I'm applying a VLOOKUP over here, selecting N13. Okay, first, yeah, selecting the table, column number, and exact match. We will freeze the table. Now, problem here is you can see where there is no data in the table, it's showing as not applicable. So for this, what you can do is you have to select this table, go to insert table and give the table name over here, list of employees. Okay. So now when you add this data over here to the table, you don't have to again do a VLOOKUP for them. You can see the data has already appeared. So in this way, you can do dynamic VLOOKUP, which is very much useful. So yeah, if you like our video, keep following Excel up for more such Excel content. Thank you.